Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset your phone through settings. So to get started, open up Settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, Reset Options, and then select Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will give you a list of couple things that will be removed by doing so. And to be honest, the most important ones are the three last ones, which is music, photos, and user data. Rest of the things are usually you should be able to get back by just simply logging into your Google account as an example. But if you keep your music locally or your photos instead of like on the cloud, well then you completely remove it and there is no way of getting it back. So if you want to keep some of those things, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, like I said, it will be lost permanently. Now, I don't have anything that I want to keep, so I can just simply progress by selecting Erase All Data, and it basically gives me the same message once more that everything will be removed and it cannot be undone, so make sure you're aware of that. Select it once more, Erase All Data. This will begin factory resetting our device, which on this phone it is stupidly fast, so it honestly feels like it's as fast as just a normal reboot, so should be done like in 30 seconds maybe. I guess we'll see. But anyway, I'm just gonna let it run and come back once it's finished. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can either set up your device however you want or just keep it at this state if you, for instance, wants to sell it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.